send from Ggives to Gcash wallet without Shopee. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send your money from your Ggives to Gcash wallet without using Shopee. So first of all, you need to understand what Ggives are and how they are different from your Gcash account and Gcash amount. So Ggives is the ultra accessible installment loan service by Gcash that can help you make lighter and more flexible payments. Pay for your next shopping trip through installment plans that fits your budget when you buy from Ggives partner merchants nationwide. So Ggives is basically an installment based loan service offering by Gcash. So basically, as you can see, that the Ggives are the part of Gcash. So if you want to send the money through your Ggives to your Gcash account, you can't simply do it directly by yourself. So for that, you need to contact to the help center support team of the Gcash account. So just simply click on help center, and over here from the top right hand side of the screen, just click on contact us. And at the bottom right of the screen, you will be able to see the option called chat with Gigi. Just simply click on it. And over here, when the chatbot is open, just simply explain the chatbot that you want to cash out from your Ggives as a loan to your Gcash account, and the customer support of the Gcash help center will definitely help you out and get your money into your bank account using your Ggives loan to your Gcash account. So this is basically how you will be able to send from Ggives to Gcash wallet without Shopee. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.